bata! Welcome back to angat-sipnayan Community Learning Center. I am your facilitator for today. I am Adrian. Today is our third session for Project Life, linking initiatives into the new normal environment. Handa na ba kayong matuto at maging mahusay sa math? If yes, together, iangat na natin ang sipnayan. Prepare pens, handouts, and modules, because today, we will be discussing all about parallel lines cut by a transversal. But before that, let us have a check-in activity. You will be provided a figure, a protractor, a sheet of paper, and ball pens by your facilitators.
In the figure, Kuya Charles lives at angle 1, Kuya Melboy lives at angle 6, and Ate Ina lives at angle 2. Your task is to measure the angles where each of their houses stand using a protractor. Write your answers in a sheet of paper, and you have 5 minutes to complete the task. Timer starts now. Time is up. Let us now check your answers. Kuya Charles lives at angle 1, which measures 70 degrees. Kuya Melby lives at angle 6, which also measures 70 degrees. And Ate Ina lives at angle 2, which measures 110 degrees.
Good job, learners! You all did well. To start our lesson today, let me ask you a question. From the figure given a while ago, how do you describe Paul Avenue and League Avenue? That is right! They are parallel to each other. Today, we will discuss the relationships among angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal.
But before that, let us review what a parallel line is. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. From our previous example, Paul Avenue and League Avenue are parallel lines. How about the other Mag Avenue? Great! Mag Avenue cuts the two avenues and it intersects with both avenues.
Mag Avenue is the same as the concept of transversals. Transversal is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. Now, let us derive the relationships of angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal.
In this figure, we know that Paul Avenue and League Avenue are parallel lines and Mag Avenue is the transversal that cuts the two lines. Also, there are angles present in this figure. First is alternate interior angles. These are pairs of non-adjacent interior angles on opposite sides of a transversal.
Can you identify what angles are alternate interior angles from previous figure? That's right! Angles 2 and 8, angles 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles.
Corresponding angles are pairs of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the same side of transversal. In the figure, angles 1 and 6, angles 3 and 8, angles 2 and 5, and angles 4 and 7 are pairs of corresponding angles.
Another angle is same side interior angles. These are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Can you identify these pairs from the figure?
That's right! Angles 2 and 6 and angles 4 and 8 are pairs of same side interior angles in the figure.
Now, how do you describe the measure of each angle from the figure? Did you find familiar terms? If you haven't discovered it yet, I will help you discover them together.
When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the corresponding angles are congruent. This means that they have the same measure. In the previous figure, Kuya Charles' house at angle 1 and Kuya Melby's house at angle 6 are corresponding angles. We also knew a while ago that they have the same measure, which is 70 degrees. In the figure, what angle is an alternate exterior angle of angle 1 where Kuya Charles' house is located? That's great! Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles from the figure. Alternate exterior angles measures the same or they are congruent. If the measure of angle 1 is 70 degrees, what do you think is the measure of angle 7? Correct! Angle 7 also measures 70 degrees.
In the figure, what angle is same side interior angle of
Angle 6,
where Kuya Melby's house is located? That's great!
angle 2,
Where Ate Ina's house is located, they are pairs of same side interior angles from the figure.
Based on our activity a while ago, what was the measure of angle where Kuya Melby's house is located? Right! Angle 6 where Kuya Melby's house is located measures 70 degrees. How about the angle where Ate Ina's house is located? Very good! Angle 2 where Ate Ina's house is located measures 110 degrees.
What do you notice about their relationships? get it right? To find out whether you got it right, let's have a liner's virtual decoding. Let's now start!
Buong-buo dahil sa'yo. In this activity, we will be decoding a mystery item. This mystery item will be used in our next session. To decode, you must first answer all 7 questions. Write the letter that corresponds to your answer in the decoder. You have 2 minutes to answer this activity. Our mystery item is a geometric tool used to draw circles and parts of a circle called arcs. So here is the problem. Lines A and B are parallel lines that are cut by a transversal seam. The angle 1 is 130 degrees. Your task is to measure all the other angles. Timer starts now. Time is up. Let us now check your answers. For S, angle 2 is 50 degrees. For C, angle 3 is 130 degrees. For O, angle 4 is 130 degrees. For another S, angle 5 is 130 degrees. For B, angle 6 is 50 degrees. For A, angle 7 is 50 degrees. And for M, angle 8 is 130 degrees. Now, what is our mystery item? If your answer is a compass, you got it right.
How was the liner's virtual decoding? Did you get it right? I am happy that you understood our lesson for today. Before ending our session, the facilitators prepared a worksheet and you may answer them after watching this video. That's it for today. For our next session, we are going to use the mystery item, compass, for our discussion on the geometry construction. Again, I am Ate Ina, your facilitator for today. I hope we provided you a new learning experience. As we say,